So good morning everyone. I will be taking my first morning cold plunge in this ice tub, which actually seems to be frozen. A feeling of love that powers one's internal flame.